Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV1. Today we're taking you on a relaxing stroll on the pathway that leads from Space Mountain to Storybook Circus. We hope you enjoy the video. And we decided to do it at night because Tomorrowland has this great ambiance at night, and we thought this pathway might have the same type of ambiance. So I'll do a little bit of light narration along the way. And it is kind of dark, but hopefully we can see enough to really enjoy the video. And of course you can hear the Speedway in the background. This is a really great view of Space Mountain from over here, that's for sure. Of course, this is in the general area where the Tron ride will eventually be. So of course it is pretty dark back here, but at least it's not crowded. I've got my high quality microphone on here, so there shouldn't be any wind noise, and the audio should be really high quality for you to just kind of enjoy the ambient noise. So we'll do this relaxing stroll during the day as well, but thought it might be fun to do at night, even though, like I said, it is hard to see, but nice and quiet. There are some smoking areas back here, so you do have to contend with that, but luckily that doesn't come through on the video.
It's because, like, I have at my house.
There goes Goofy's Barnstormer over there to my left. I'm not sure if that's some kind of special machine on the track over there. That's the Walt Disney World Railroad track, and of course that is definitely not one of the steam engines. Looks like a tractor of some kind. Let's look back towards Space Mountain there. That's a pretty good view. I love the way it's illuminated at night too. The different colors, really beautiful. All right, we'll finish our stroll back into Storybook Circus. There's the Fantasyland Railroad Station, of course now closed. And you're hearing the water play area over there. A little bit chilly, so nobody's really playing over there right now, but nice and loud. Never realized how really loud that play area is over there. Wow. By the way, if you're wondering why this video is shot at 30 frames per second, it's because I wanted to get as much light in as possible. And when you have a lower frame rate, you actually allow in more light. Normally I shoot all of my videos at 60 frames per second to have smoother motion, but I tried it both ways and I get a lot more light in when I've only got 30 frames per second here at night. There's Pete's Silly Sideshow. That's a tongue twister. It's really peaceful back here at night when nobody's here. There's Big Top Souvenirs over there. I've heard a lot of people say that Storybook Circus doesn't really fit in with the theming here. I actually like it. I think it's themed really well. I'm not a big fan of this water play area here. It's really, really loud, but I like the rest of it. I think it's really nice. Of course, I'm a big fan of the old-time circuses, so that's probably why I like it. And of course, this is the new location of the Dumbo ride. We'll take a look at that here in just a minute, but there's a good shot. You can see the spires of Space Mountain through the barnstormer. And actually, I really like what they did with Dumbo here. It's very well lit at night. Really beautiful. Actually, I think this ride's a lot more beautiful at night than it is during the day. We'll walk up there and take a look at that before we wrap up this relaxing stroll. There's the front entrance to Big Top Souvenirs. So the neat thing about Dumbo now is that it has this interactive queue, which is great for the kids. I know when Jen and I were kids, we had to ride Dumbo. You had to get here really early to the Magic Kingdom and run to Dumbo, basically. And then if you didn't run to Dumbo, you had to pretty much wait out in the hot sun for 45 minutes or more. So this is really cool. They've got this interactive queue area. And then they've got 2 spinners, actually. So you can go on either one, and they're both exactly the same. But I love the lighting underneath. It's really cool. Now this particular side of the Dumbo ride is not functioning right now late at night. The attraction is not generally busy late at night. So that's a tip if you want to ride this without a fast pass or without waiting in any line. A lot of times you can go 10 o'clock at night if the park's still open and it'll be less busy. Well, that about wraps it up for this relaxing stroll from Space Mountain on that path all the way to Storybook Circus. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Please remember to leave a comment, a like, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Also, check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free vacation planning advice. Also, WindowRepairParts.us. Use the coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your purchase at WindowRepairParts.us. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.